couple spends children's inheritance on an RV. Hoo-hoo! Should you go to a Florida RV show, this could happen to you too. RV meets Florida people. Woohoo! I think you're gonna have to stay tuned to see whether or not that happened. What do you think? Put your comments below quick before we tell you. Besides all that, I recommend going to an RV show. It's so much fun. And you just might come home and with an RV, and my husband always says that we're leaving this world with the last check that's gonna bounce. The RV or not? A little different from the last time we came to an RV show. The steel drums started differently. The bunkhouse. Oh, the bed comes down. This is all right.
Hey, Deep Leisure Travel Vans, we're live in beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida, and I've got
Letty
and Albert.
Hey, we're
They
so
want to
happy.
say hi to your son.
Yes.
What's his
I
name?
understand. Carlos and Alberto.
Carlos and Alberta. You should be
Yeah.
here with us. Mom and Dad
Yes.
are. They're buying an RV. They're selling. They're
Right,
spending
it's
your
alive.
inheritance. And he's really 6'2". Right.
He's really 6'2". We love it.
So you're gonna have to get a job and go to work because Mom and Dad are spending your inheritance.
I think these are the most beautiful RVs. They really are. Oops. Get out of the picture here. They're just gorgeous. Well, these and the Airstreams, the leisure travel vans, gorgeous. These new camps are so cute. Somebody that's young, someone single, a very cozy couple. They'd all love one of these things. I don't know, I keep thinking the way prices are going in homes and stuff, this wouldn't be bad idea. Take your live list on the road. It's so cute. It's everything you need right there. Although I'd want to know where to put a bike. It's like, where would you put your bikes? Attach them. Very cool. These look interesting, and of course they gotta be good if they're certified Sasquatch proof. I like they have satellite, and if they have solar panels. Imagine you wake up in the morning and you are in a Ford Indigo. Nice fire going, and it gives off some heat. It's pretty cool. Although I'm not sure I could see the fire from the bed, but it does give off heat. And look at this full-size refrigerator. This one's beautiful. I prefer the lighter color cabinets. Just to give you the idea on the layout. Beautiful. Hi. Huh. You want to say hi to everybody? People saying this is like the Access, but with an overhang with the cab on the top. So I don't know enough. It's a pretty one, and it has got great storage. Look at that. Ooh, a Thor tiburón. A Thor shark in English. You should paint a shark on the outside of these RVs. I like the split. For two people, somebody can be doing their thing. Somebody could be doing their thing over here. Everybody, hoo-hoo, hi. Everybody can be doing their thing. I'm not sure. I get why they do the beds this way, and then you get one big bed and there's more storage, but I'm not sure I do like all the cabinet space on top. Don't need a bigger size refrigerator than that. You got the comfy couches that come out, pop out. Nice. Oh wow. Oh boy. All right.
23-footer with the twins that keep transferring to the king. They'll mix and match their options on the ends. The other nice thing is since you waited.
Okay, so as much as I absolutely love this RV, I would feel like I'm in a diner every day, and I would gain so much weight because I would want to have a milkshake, burgers, and fries. My husband would have hot dogs, and we wouldn't be able to fit. It is super cute. That is no doubt. Kind of reminds me of my grandfather's home with all the wood paneling. But I would definitely feel like I'm in a diner. I'd play Grease all day. Dance the twist the night away. Super cute though. They have won awards. The company has won awards for service and quality. Picture it. The milkshake, the cheeseburger, the shake steak. There's Albert. Oh, that's funny. Some folks say that's a lot like me. These are all the big kahunas. We forgot to make our appointment. Holy moly. Holy moly. It's a whole other RVing world. Holy moly. Never a dull moment at an RV show. Of the Airstreams, this one's my favorite. The Flying Cloud 27, because it opens up in the back. There's a nice screen for mosquitoes. I understand there's quite a few people in here. So let me see. I'm not sure I like the design of this one, but I do like the layout and all the windows. Now I'm sitting in the 25-foot Flying Cloud. I still love it. I like this bed better. Very nice. With the windows, the things. Very nice. I like that it's smaller and it still has the hatch in the back. Lovely. Okay, this is rare. There's nobody in here. Look how beautiful This is the Flying Cloud 27. And the best feature of this is that it opens in the back. Lovely. But there is no storage underneath, so you would have to put all your things in here. To give you an idea, it's ample space. This is the only thing that I'm concerned about is this area here. You would need that pillow to put over here because the TV's there. And sorry about the background. The TV's here and there's nowhere to lean if you're going to lean and watch the TV to put your back. We're entering the International 27 FBT. Albert says, "Es una lata de Coca-Cola." For those friends of ours that speak English, it means this is a Coke can. But it has the same, what I like about it is the windows here flip open. And you can get cross ventilation, and it has the mosquito screen. Albert is showing how it has a wonderful screen on the other side.
Hey, look, no bugs.
The door even has a screen. And again, I like the shower on one side, bathroom on the other. It is, however, like the Flying Cloud, not the tallest. But there is room if you want to bathe your dog. There's a little lip on here about 6 inches, so you can fill it up. And I like the little make you feel, which I don't know for some people if that's a good thing, feeling like you're in a submarine. But your bathroom, I'm sure you can change the coloring. Hey, look, and we have visitors, so I am going to sign off with the International. Hope you enjoyed the video of the RV show in Florida. Hope to see you there at the next one. So now, not just yet. I've been doing live for so long, and we have enjoyed every moment with them while they were young folks and in our household. We took every opportunity we could to spend that money with them. So I think that's what's most important. A good education, some traveling, some amazing experiences with your kids. That's what the money is for. And of course, an RV would be part of that if that is your thing, taking your kids with you. We did do that. So glad I did it. Add this to your live list. This is Miss G for Miss G Live and Share. Saying no to bucket lists, and we're saying yes to live lists. Woohoo! And while you're at it, woohoo, thumbs up, join, subscribe for more fun videos.